Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and open a TonKeeper account on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go to your Player App Store and download TonKeeper. Once you've done that, click onto it. Now wait for it to load up. Alright, as it says here, TonKeeper, create a new wallet or add an existing one. So for this demonstration, we want to create a new wallet. So go ahead and click on create new wallet. Give it a passcode. So I'm going to do that now. And then it would want you to re-enter the passcode. So write down the passcode somewhere safe so you don't forget the passcode as well. Once that is done, you can enable notifications, which I'm going to do now. Click on allow. Once you've done that, you've successfully created a TonKeeper account or opened one up. You can play around the settings inside here too. So if you click on the gear icon, top right hand corner of the page here, under settings, you can give yourself a different name and not call it wallet. So you can customize your wallet. So you can give your wallet a name. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in my name here. Like so. Click on save. You can also change the currency in here from USD to another currency. And if you scroll down, you can give it added security. So if you click on security, you can use biometrics. You can use lock screen. You can change your passcode as well if you need to. And yeah, there's other settings you can change. So you can, the default search browser is DuckDuckGo. You can change that to Google if you want. You can change your language inside here. You've got documents, support documents. In fact, you've even got TonKeeper news. You can contact TonKeeper for any questions you may have. And if you ever change your mind and want to delete your account, you can delete it here. And also you can sign out of your account as well at the bottom of this page.